What's up, people? So we are on our way to go pick up the new sled for this season, a used 2017 Gen 4 850 Skidoo 154. Needs a little TLC, a little love, but we are happy to provide that for that sled. So we're gonna make some videos. I think been in a mood to create videos, create some content just for my own good. Full transparency, not trying to become a YouTube star, not trying to make money off of it, just doing it for the fun of it. And yeah, if you watch it and you think it's cool, sweet, I appreciate it. Now, I know there are people watching this, probably some of my own friends. Alex, why are you making a flippin' vlog about snowmobiling? You think people are gonna wanna watch you talk about snowmobiles? You know what? I really don't care. I just wanna make a video, or 2 or 6 or 7. So, anyways, we're gonna go pick up a sled. But first, we need to get fuel. A little petrol, as the kids say nowadays. If the kids even say that, I don't know.
A few moments later.
Well, there should be, right back there. New unit. She needs a little love. A lot of love. But, you know, way she goes. Well, welcome home, you black beauty. So, it's a 3/8, you know, deal there. But you shouldn't use an impact on something like this because you'll screw up the threads and you gotta replace these, and that's no fun. So, we'll use a little adapter here, put that in our drill. Don't use an extension, just because why not? Don't have to, but you know, just makes life easier. And then, put her in forward, put her in 1, a little low speed. Away we go. Piece of cake, really. Let's see what we got here. Little free grass all around. Custom snow flap. Little wrap residue. Little fade. Sounded like the little exhaust wasn't on there all the way, or something. Who knows? Ooh, some free pine needles. What a guy he is. Well, this is progress after day 1. It cleans up all right. A little dirty, but you know, we will get there. Chain looks pretty decent yet. Little pine needles here and there. Some plastic is needed. Just these, some side panels. Seat's got a rip in it. It's all dry rotted. The foam is wet. So might as well build a new seat. Remove the sway bar. Repaint the A-arms probably. Maybe do the 2020 spindles. Could use a new rear bumper. I see we got a little bump and grind on the trails, it looks like. Kids nowadays, I tell you. Need a brake rotor. Doesn't even have one. Clutches could use some cleaning. But, like I say, we'll get there. Shorter riser. Push button kill switch. All on their way.